Hey YouTube, today we are going to continue on our discussion on control structures, specifically the iteration statements. These iteration statements include the for loop, the while loop, and the do while loop, as we have said. In this tutorial, I'm going to cover the while loop structure. The following is a structure of the while loop. It starts by the initialization of the variable, then the while structure, which has the closing and opening brackets inside which there is the condition also, and after the opening and closing brackets there's the curly brackets, which is where the code is executed repeatedly as long as the condition is true, and also the increment and the decrement statement. So let me remove the comments and let's start coding. So initialization, you can just say int x is equals to 0, then you end with a semicolon since that's a statement, then x, you can put this a condition equal to less than or equal to 5, or you can even say 10. This is the condition, and then the code to be executed is written here. For example, we can execute what we can execute. You can choose to print out the value of x in each iterations. And then there's also you can increment it or decrement it, but today we are going to perform an incrementation, but I'll also show you how to decrement the values. So let's run this loop. You can see it has printed out values from 0 to 10. We can also perform decrement. You can decrement the value. You can start with, let's say, 20, and then you want to decrement as long as it's less than 10, you stop, or you can say up to, you can decrement up to 1 or 5. Okay, you can say up to 1, and then here instead they are incrementing, we'll just decrement just like that. That's the way it is. So we can see it decrements from 20 to 1. Yeah, okay, I will explain the code. Here is the initialization, as I told you. This is the condition under which it will execute until this condition fails to be evaluated to true, and then this is the code that will be executed while this condition is true, and then this is the decrement or the increment operator. In this case we are decrementing, so after executing we decrement. If you remove the decrement, the code will run infinitely. I don't know if I have enough RAM, it can crash my laptop. You can see it's executing infinitely. So yeah, that's the reason why we have the increment and decrement operator. So that's all for today. Please make sure you subscribe and like the channel. Thank you.